it's Laura with an Inviting Life video about how and why spring cleaning can be really good for us. That time of year is coming up and I know we all dread it, but there are many bonuses. One is obviously that it's incredibly cathartic. When you deal with that closet that's full of an avalanche waiting to hit you on the head, you're not just clearing the closet or the cupboard, you're clearing your head. You're clearing your thoughts. You're really getting rid of that thing that's been haunting you and hanging over your shoulder all winter. So that's true of anything, the garage, any box that's full of junk. You deal with it and you deal with your psyche at the same time. Another thing is that it's meditative. We're always complaining about not having enough time for our own heads, not enough space. Well, try washing a whole bunch of windows. You will find that that little brain of yours takes a little trip all by itself, solves all sorts of problems, comes back fresher, and your mood will be lifted. It's very satisfying and it's very healthy. Another thing is that spring cleaning reacquaints us with the things we own and it creates intimacy. We can live all winter kind of ignoring everything we live with, not really paying attention to it. But the fact of picking things up and dusting them off or polishing them or fixing things that are broken really puts us back in touch, not just with what we have, but with who we are. What story does it tell about us? Who gave it to us? Where did it come from? It's a real process of reacquaintance with ourselves, which gives us a fresh start for going into spring. So don't dread it, just do it. If you have some comments or some ideas for the rest of us, do leave them, do subscribe, and I'll see you soon.